Twitter has officially launched its paid super follows. I saw this. I saw a few people advertising, suggesting that if you like their tweets, you shall pay them now. Don't you enjoy the wasabi conversation? I will be taking your super follow now. That's how important that conversation happens to be.
I'll pay a lot for that.
Creators can now charge up to $10 a month. The official launch of Super Follows, a new feature that allows creators to provide subscriber-only content that requires a paid fee to access. What would this content possibly be, Will? Is it going to be NSFW? Is that allowed in there? Because I don't know. I presume make money like that.
I heard the Nothing brand was going to give out leaks.
Yeah, I saw them. Follows. I saw them teasing that.
Yeah,
and I mean,
so maybe there's that.
I can't imagine $10 a month, and I mean, you got some perks in there, man.
Some nudes.
Creators who use the Super Follow feature on Twitter can charge $2.99, $4.99, or $9.99 to allow their subscribers to access exclusive tweet content. Creators are eligible to keep up to 97% of revenue. That's enormous. Yeah. Holy cow. That is one of the most aggressive I have ever seen.
There's a threshold, though.
Up to 50 Gs. After that, creators will earn 80% of the revenue. So those heavy hitters, they want a piece of those heavy hitters eventually. Designed for anyone that brings unique perspectives and personalities to Twitter to drive public conversation. Super Follows are available to a small group of U.S. content creators that applied to participate, but people can apply to join the wait list and set up Super Follows subscription. 10,000 or more Twitter follows are required, so you got to have some followers.
Here are the official requirements here.
10,000 followers, tweeted 25 times in the last 30 days, based in the U.S. and 18 years old. I presume that's just for now. Actually, if you go back to the previous article, what does it say there? Super Follows limited to U.S. and Canada. Mm-hmm. It says there. So the other one says U.S. This one says Canada. I don't know. We'll see if we can try it. I don't know. I'll take your $2.99. Give me $2.99.
Sure.
I'll send you a picture of my sandwich.
Okay.
Don't give me tuna. I don't need your... Unless I can figure out some reason, like a good reason. I can't see why.
Yeah.
Twitter's a weird place to figure out what's worth money.
I think...
most of it doesn't quite seem worth... I mean, how many subscriptions are we supposed to have? How many follows? And
I'm going to go a little dark and maybe say like a OnlyFans kind of situation.
Yeah, I know. That's the main one I can envision. I'm just trying to imagine other ways. But anyway, yeah, exclusive news. I don't know.
Sure.